Welcome to New Car Toyota Parts. We ship genuine OEM Toyota parts straight from our dealership to your door. Today we're looking at the front and rear all-weather floor mats in black, designed specifically for the 2008 through 2012 Scion XD. These heavy-duty mats protect your carpet from everything life throws at it. These floor mats fit all Scion XD models from 2008 to 2012, including base and RS trims. These all-weather floor mats are custom molded to fit your XD's footwells precisely, trapping mud, snow, and spills before they reach your carpet. Protecting your interior now means better resale value later and easier cleanup after every adventure. Genuine Toyota mats feature the exact material thickness and retention clip positions engineered for your Scion, so they stay put instead of sliding under your pedals. Browse our complete catalog of Toyota and Scion parts online. Every part is genuine OEM, backed by warranty, guaranteed to fit, and ships fast. Not sure if this part fits your vehicle? Give us a call with your VIN ready and we'll confirm the exact part you need. You can find your VIN on the driver's side dashboard, the door jamb sticker, or your registration card. It's 17 digits that tell us exactly what you drive. Shop with New Car Toyota Parts for genuine parts every time. Don't settle for aftermarket.